Have you ever been in a situation where you have been conned while buying a second-hand scooter or motorcycle? If yes, comment below and tell me what had happened. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to identify original Shogun vis-a-vis a lot of fake being sold in the market in the name of Shogun. A lot of Suzuki Samurai have been just putting up with head mask and sold as Suzuki Shogun. But in this video, I will detailedly tell you how to identify a original Shogun. I'll see you guys right after this intro video. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. And if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I upload. And you can also stay on regular touch with me through my social media handle. Here's a social media handle to stay in touch with me. Today I'm going to talk about how to identify a original Shogun vis-a-vis just a upgraded Suzuki Samurai made to look like a Suzuki Shogun. I have already done a video on Suzuki Shogun. Here's a link if you want to watch the entire Suzuki Shogun video, and I have also done a video on Suzuki Samurai. Again, here's a link if you want to watch the Suzuki Samurai video as well. In this video, I'm going to talk in detail how to identify a original Suzuki Shogun, and let's start the video straight away. Now let's get a little up close and personal and tell you the difference or how to identify between original Shogun vis-a-vis a Samurai which is made to look like Shogun. So when you first look at the motorcycle, there are certain exterior difference that you can identify. And the first thing is the headlight. So if you see in Shogun, you have a head mask versus the Samurai is a round headlight. And then another difference is the way the exhaust looks. So if you look at this and then have a look at the exhaust system for Suzuki Samurai, it has an additional extra plate on the top vis-a-vis the Suzuki Shogun. Now let's have a look at the odo of both of this. So let's have a look at Shogun. So Shogun odo, here you have a speedometer and then you have the RPM meter here. Vis-a-vis on the Samurai, you have the speedometer and then you have the fuel meter here. And when you look at both of the motorcycle, otherwise they have similar tank, the structure, everything is similar. Now let's talk about the real thing, how to actually identify the difference between a original Shogun versus a fake Shogun. So starting from the head. So this comes with a much smaller head compared to the one in the Shogun. And how to identify it's a Samurai, you see the head has one block here and then it has two fins. So one and two fins. But when you look at the Shogun one, it is a much bigger head and then it has three fins, 1, 2 and 3. So this is a Shogun and this one is a Samurai. That's the very first difference that you can see. And then let's come here near this portion. Here you will not see anything. There is no connection to a power box. This is just like this. And now let's go on to the Shogun. So if you see here, this manifold connects to a power box up here, and this is an original Shogun power box, and this is one of the biggest difference easily identifiable between the Shogun and the Samurai. So this is how you identify. And even if you go look at this from a distance, you can see here there is no power box connection, and here very easily you can make out there is a power box connection. So this is exactly how you can identify between a original Shogun versus a Samurai which is made to look like a Shogun. I would like to thank one of my subscriber Yesh for suggesting me this topic. And with that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up and share this video with all your friends. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until the next video, stay at home, stay safe. Please get yourself vaccinated. And bye-bye.